How to create Facebook page. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can create a Facebook page. I hope you guys know that nowadays you can earn handsome amount of money by uploading videos on your Facebook page. So to create your Facebook page, open your Facebook app, then tap on these three lines at the upper right side. So tap on here, and then now scroll down a little bit, and here you'll get pages. So tap on here, pages, and then now at the upper left side you'll get create button. So tap on here, and then now tap on get started, and then now here you have to type your Facebook page name. So I'm gonna type my Facebook page name here. So after type your Facebook page name, then tap on next. And now you have to select the category of your Facebook page. So you can select it here or you can search it here. So now I'm gonna search it, and after search it you have to tap on this category, and after that at the bottom you'll see create button. So tap on here and wait a while, and now all you need to do is scroll down all the way down, and after that you will get next button. So tap on here, and now again tap on next, and after that tap on skip, and then again tap on next, and then tap on done, and wait a while. And as you can see that by doing all these process I have created my Facebook page. So following this simple process you can also create your Facebook page, and I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.